did you hear me? What are you all dressed up for?
I got work to do.
But breakfast will be ready soon.
I want to stay, but I gotta do what I gotta do. Now come on, Judy, you know it's not up to me.
Come on, Frank. Are we ever gonna have a normal life together?
Oh, come on, baby, don't do this.
Don't babe me. You're never here and I hardly get to see you enough as it is.
I know, but things can't be like this forever. I promise.
I don't know how much longer I can wait.
What? Do you trust me?
Yes, I trust you. It's just every time you're gone, I never know when you're gonna be back.
Do you love me?
I love you.
No, do you
yes,
love me?
I love you. I'm just scared.
Well, if you love me, you know I'm gonna come back to you. I promise. All right? Okay? Now I gotta go. I'll be back. Let go! Shut up!
You don't have to do this. Please.
I have no choice. It's done. I'll be there.
Took you long enough. Get everything taken care of?
Yeah, man.
Good. Good. Everything you need for the next assignment. Right in here.
What do you mean?
Did I stutter?
Next assignment? Oh, man, I'm done.
I'm not saying you gotta do it today.
No, I mean, I'm out forever. I'm done, man.
Get real.
Man, haven't I did enough? I'm out,
Look.
man.
Boss took you in as one of his own. Gave you a better life. You wouldn't even be standing here today if it weren't for him.
And I know that, man, but I can't
Hey,
keep...
you're family now. When you're in, you're in.
Family? Family? Man, I'm not even blood.
Loyalty's thicker than blood. That's what you're forgetting. But that don't even matter. You lost your right to complain when the boss took you in. So get over it.
Oh, man. I'm done.
You better think about what you're doing.
I'm done!
You can't leave the family, Frank. No one just leaves the family.
I just did.
They're gonna come for you. You and everybody you love. Yeah.
Every time you go, I never know when you're gonna be back.
You really willing to take that chance? Just one more job, Frank. Just one more job. That's all I'm saying. Good. Good.
I've been waiting for your sweetie. Frank. Wasn't expecting you. Come, have a seat.
I'm not here for leisure.
You're funny, Frank. I like your sense of humor. But on the other hand, you're all business. The real deal. And I like that too.
Well, thank you, sir. That means a lot coming from you.
I've been meaning to tell you. From the moment I took you in, I knew you'd be doing big things. I just knew there was something special about you.
Nice of you to say that, sir.
Well, it's what family's for. We have to look out for each other, don't we? Correct me if I'm wrong, but don't you have some business to attend?
Yes, I do. And that's why I'm here.
Enough with the joke, son.
I have no choice. And I'm not your son.